In die teenwoordigheid van God, ons familie en vriende, neem ek Leonard Langenhoven vir jou Zelani Cronee as my wettige vrou, lewensmaat en liefdesvernoot.
My huweliksbelofte aan jou is dat ek jou sal lief hê met my hele wese. Ek gee jou my hand, my hart en my liefde van hierdie dag af tot die dood ons skei.
I don't wanna be no star, have fame on the boulevard. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I don't need shiny things or love from a movie screen, but I tell you what I really want.
There is nothing nicer than having someone who appreciates you in the smallest things, accepts you in the times of hardships, comforts you when you're troubled, loves you no matter what, and is simply happy for having you in their life.
Lastly, I just want to say a few words of wisdom for you guys. A successful marriage requires you both to fall in love over and over and over again every day with each other. Remember that, and everything will be fine in the end.
Nou is dit my voorreg om te sê, nie net voor die wet nie, maar ook voor God en sy gemeente, is julle nou man en vrou. Leonard, jy kan